Today we will be ordering real numbers. Okay, so we are going to be estimating numbers on the number line and then ordering them from least to greatest. So let's take a look here. We have 2 1/3. Okay, if we turn 1/3 into a decimal, we get 2.3 repeating. So that is right about here on our number line. Okay, 2 1/3. Okay, and then 26/12. If we turn this to a mixed number, 12 goes into 26 two times with 2 out of 12 left over. Okay, or 2 1/6. Okay, and if I turn 1/6 into a decimal, I get 0.16 repeating. So right about 0.2, so 2.2. Okay, so to be right about there, that's 26/12. Okay, the square root of 6. Okay, we are going to use a number line here to help us. Square root of 6. Square root of 4 is on one side. Square root of 9 is on the other. So that's between 2 and 3. Okay, and we've got 2 and then there are 5 spaces between square root of 4 and square root of 9. So your denominator would be 5. And square root of 6 is 2 away from square root of 4. So we get 2/5. Okay, so this is approximately 2.4. Okay, so I'm going to put that here on my number line, square root of 6. All right, and then the last one is 4 pi divided by 7. So I'm going to estimate pi to be about 3. 4 times 3 is 12. So this is going to be approximately 12/7. Okay, and 7 goes into 12 only one time. And we have 5/7 after that. Okay, so it's going to be over here somewhere, less than 2. Okay, so if we put these in order from least to greatest, we have 4 pi over 7. Then we have, next on our number line is 26/12. Then 2 1/3, and then square root of 6. Okay, once you get them on the number line, you can see the order from least to greatest right there in front of you. Let's do one more together. Pi 2, or 2 pi, is approximately 2 times 3.14, which is going to be 6.28. So somewhere right about here. Okay, 6.28. And then we have square root of 38. Again, square root of 36 would be my whole number here. Square root of 49 would be 7. That's going to be my whole number there. Square root of 38 falls between those two. Okay, so we have 6. And then between 49 and 36, there are 13 spaces. And then 38 is 2 away, so 6 2/13. And if I change 2/13 to a decimal, about 0.15, so I get 6.15 here is square root of 38. Okay, put the 2 pi there as well. All right, and then 7 goes into 41 5 times. And then we have 6/7. Okay, so 6/7 is going to be right about 5.85, somewhere in here. That's going to be 41/7. And then 5 3/4 is 0.75. So that's going to be right here, 5 3/4. Okay, so if we put these in order, we have 5 3/4, Then we have 41 over 7. Then we have square root of 38 and 2 pi in order. And there's two more that you can try on your own. Right here, the percent, when you turn that into a decimal, remember percents are out of 100, so you just divide by 100 and you would get negative 7.5 here. Okay, heads up on those.